Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake your Solana on Jito. Once you've logged on to jito.network/staking, you're met with where you can connect your wallet to earn JIT Sol tokens when you stake your Solana. So for this tutorial video, make sure you have your Solana wallet, which in my case is the Phantom wallet. Make sure you have the Phantom wallet ready and set up. So simply open up your Phantom wallet. Alright guys, once the Solana, once the Phantom wallet has opened up, all you need to do is make sure you have the Solana token present, which is this Sol token here. So click on your Solana, and if you do not have any Solana, proceed to buy from a centralized exchange or simply deposit. So guys, with your Solana available on your Phantom wallet, click on the connect wallet option and you'll be met with list of wallets that can be connected to the Jito platform. So in this video, we'll be working with the Phantom wallet. So click on Phantom wallet. Once the Phantom wallet opens up, simply connect your wallet to the Jito platform. So click on connect, and once your wallet has been connected, you'll be shown the amount of Solana tokens you hold. And as you can see here, I've got some Solana tokens. So in order to stake, when you stake for a year, you're getting about 7.79% bonus on your amount, or the amount you've staked. So now enter an amount of SOL you wish to stake. Let's say 0.01. And now all you need to do is simply click on deposit SOL, and this is the amount of Jito tokens you'd be getting for the amount of deposited SOL. So now click on deposit SOL, agree to the disclaimer. Make sure you read through all of this, as this is not financial advice. Click on continue. So guys, once the Phantom wallet prompt opens up, simply confirm the transaction by clicking on confirm, and you'd find that your SOL has been converted into the Jito SOL, which will then be available for staking, which would then be staked. And here we go, the transaction has been submitted and it's still processing. Once it's done with the processing, you could easily unstake your SOL tokens or your Jito SOL tokens without any lockup period. There's no lockup period for staking your Jito tokens. All you need to do is come back and claim your staked rewards. So guys, once you finish staking, you'd find that the stake has been successful and it's giving the prompts for it. So do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can stake your SOL on Jito, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.